We'll see isentropic process or frictionless adiabatic process. Isentropic process. In the case of constant volume process, volume of the system remains constant and remaining parameters are variables. In the constant pressure process, pressure is constant, remaining parameters are variable. Constant temperature process, temperature is constant and remaining parameters are variables. Ante PVT. Okay, one by one constant పెట్టుకుంటూ మనం ఈ మూడు సిస్టమ్స్ ని కూడా మనం డిఫైన్ చేస్తాం. But in the case of isentropic process, the first law of thermodynamics just we need to recall the formula related to the process, that equal to Q, heat supplied, equal to delta U plus integral PdV or work done, right? And here in the isentropic process, no heat is supplied to the system, no heat is rejected from the system. అంటే హీటు సిస్టమ్కి సప్లై చేయం, సిస్టమ్ నుంచి తీసుకోం. ఓకే, సపోజ్ ద హీట్ ఈజ్ 0, డెల్టా యూ ప్లస్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఈవి only. Heat is not supplied to the system, not rejected from the system. In such cases, Q equal to 0. That equal to delta U plus PdV. Okay, that means integral PdV is equal to minus delta U. And work done at the cost of its internal energy, but not at the cost of heat supplied or heat rejected. అది మనం అర్థం చేసుకోవాలన్నమాట. In adiabatic process or in the isentropic process, no heat is supplied to the system, no heat is rejected from the system. Okay, such type of process is called as isentropic process. Right. Here I will give you one example. If you consider a cycle pump and the outlet is closed, okay, and here the piston of the cycle pump is pressed up to this, okay, కిందకి మనం ప్రెస్ చేస్తాం. Okay, that means we are not giving any heat energy, but we press, we use the work done over the system. Therefore, its internal energy is increased. Ante kadandi, man compress cheseste due to the compression, its internal energy is increased. Suppose if we release the force, due to its internal energy, suddenly the piston will move up. Okay? What causes for displacement of that piston? What causes for work done by the piston? It is due to internal energy. This is the best example for adiabatic process. Right? Okay? Internal energy పెరుగుతుంది. Internal energy తో work done by the system అనుకోండి, internal energy తగ్గిపోతుంది అన్నమాట. Okay? Right. Now, the governing equation for this isentropic process is PV to the power of gamma equal to constant. PV to the power of gamma equal to constant. Isentropic process we can represent on PV diagram like this. PV. This is initial pressure P1, initial volume V1. This is initial final pressure P2, final volume V2. Okay, the curve very much similar to the curve given in the isothermal process. ఓకే, ఐసోథర్మల్ ప్రాసెస్ ఎలా వచ్చిందో అలాగే వచ్చింది, కానీ అడియాబాటిక్ ప్రాసెస్ తాలూకా కరువు తాలూకా స్లోప్ అనేది క్రిందకు ఉంటుందండి, తగ్గుతుంటుంది అన్నమాట. ఓకే, ఐసోథర్మల్ ప్రాసెస్ కొద్దిగా ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, రైట్. అండ్ ఏరియా అండర్ ది కర్వ్, దిస్ విల్ గివ్స్ us work done. Now we will derive an equation for the work done. Right? Here also we need to consider P1, V1 or initial pressure and volumes, initial pressure and volume, and P2, V2 final pressure and volume. Okay, by considering this we can derive here what is the formula for work done equal to integral P dV within the limits of V1 and V2. Now P we need to express in terms of volume, therefore integral P equal to C by V to the power of gamma V1 V2 dV. Right, now integrate it. Okay, C we can take it out. Right, next V to the power of gamma, that means V to the power of minus gamma. Okay, that means V to the power of minus gamma plus 1 divided by minus gamma plus 1 within the limits of V2 and V1. Okay, now substitute V2 and V1. Here C into V to the power of V2 to the power of minus gamma plus 1 divided by minus gamma plus 1, right, minus V1 to the power of minus gamma plus 1 divided by minus gamma plus 1, right, denominator is same. Okay, therefore directly we can take the numerator as it is. And what is C? C equal to PV to the power of gamma equal to constant. Right, here PV to the power of gamma equal to constant. That implies P1 V1 to the power of gamma equal to P2 V2 to the power of gamma equal to constant. Okay, now we can write that here. P1 V1 to the power of gamma, ఇక్కడ P2 V2 to the power of gamma కూడా రాయొచ్చండి. V2 minus gamma plus 1 minus V1 minus gamma plus 1 whole divided by minus gamma plus 1. Right, this is V2 term. Okay, while multiplying this constant with V2, I will consider P2 V2 into V2. Okay, and this is V1 term. While multiplying for this, I will consider P1 V1 because P2 V2 equal to P1 V1. Okay, this is there. Right, now I will write W equal to P2 V2 to the power of gamma into V2 minus gamma plus 1, right, minus P1 V1 to the power of gamma into V1 minus gamma plus 1 whole divided by minus gamma plus 1. Okay, V2 to the power of gamma, V2 to the power of minus gamma. Okay, అంటే ఏమవుతుంది, ప్లస్ గామా మైనస్ గామా. Okay, that will cancel. And into V2 to the power of 1 అది ఉంటుంది కదా. Therefore it can be written as P2 V2 minus here also P1 V1 minus gamma plus 1. W equal to P1 V1 minus P2 V2 whole divided by gamma minus 1. Okay, this is the equation of our work done when it is expansion work. It is expansion work. Right. Now, I will summarize all the equations what we learn in the isentropic process. In the isentropic process, heat supplied equal to 0. Right. Next, change in internal energy delta U equal to minus W or W equal to minus U. Okay, both we can write. And work done W in the expansion is given by P1 V1 minus P2 V2 divided by gamma minus 1. These equations you need to remember, right? And one more thing, just like what we did in constant pressure process, constant volume process, constant temperature process, here also I can write like this. P1 V1 to the power of gamma equal to P2 V2 to the power of gamma. And I can write P1 by P2 equal to V2 by V1 to the power of gamma. That implies V2 by V1 equal to P1 by P2 to the power of 1 by gamma. Right? Now, I want to use gas equation. See, P1 V1 by T1 is equal to P2 V2 by T2. Okay, from this we can derive P1 by P2. P1 by P2 is equal to T1 by T2 into V2 by V1. Is it not? Okay? This is okay? Right. Now I want to substitute here. P1 by P2 equal to T1 by T2 into V2 by V1 is equal to V2 by V1 to the power of gamma. I want to derive a relation between temperature and volume. Okay? V2 by V1 is a particular quantity. Then it will be V2 by V1 to the power of gamma minus 1. Okay? This is the equation. You need to remember it is the equation in between temperature and volume. This is the equation in between pressure and volume. Right? Now, I want to derive an equation in between temperature and pressure. Okay? Suppose if you want to derive from this, see, V2 by V1. V2 by V1 is equal to P1 by P2 into T2 by T1. Is it not? Okay, ఈ equation నుంచి తీస్తానండి. Right. Now, see, V2 by V1 equal to P1 by P2 to the power of 1 by gamma. Okay. Now, I want to derive equation in between pressure and temperature. కాబట్టి దీన్ని మనం ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేద్దామండి. దీన్ని తీసుకొచ్చి ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేద్దాం. Therefore, P1 by P2 into T2 by T1 is equal to P1 by P2 to the power of 1 by gamma. Right? ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని డివైడ్ చేసుకుంటే ఏమవుతుంది? P1 by P2 1 by gamma minus 1. Right? That means P2 by P1 is equal to P1 by P2 to the power of 1 by gamma minus 1. This is equal to P2 by P1, P1 by P2. This is 1 minus gamma by gamma. Okay? I want to write, take minus 1 common and I want to reverse it. Right. Then this can be written as P2 by P1 equal to P2 by P1 to the power of gamma minus 1 by gamma. Minus common తీస్తాను అనుకుంటే ఇది వస్తుంది. అంటే to the power of minus 1. Minus 1 అంటే ఫ్రాక్షన్ అనేది రివర్స్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? రైట్. అంటే దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ ప్రెషర్ అండ్ టెంపరేచర్. రైట్? Temperature and volume one relation, pressure and temperature one relation, and volume and pressure another relation. Okay, these three we need to remember. To remember easily, I will give you one equation. You can by heart it and remember as it is. Then it is very easy to solve the problems while come across adiabatic process. Right? That equation is T2 by T1 equal to P2 by P1 to the power of gamma minus 1 by gamma equal to V1 by V2 to the power of gamma minus 1. T2 by T1 ఇక్కడ రాశాను కాబట్టి T2 by T1 రాసి V1 by V2 రాయాలి. అందుకని ఇది వేస్తాను అన్నమాట. రైట్? దిస్ ఈక్వేషన్ యూ కెన్ రిమెంబర్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్. ఓకే, P1 V1 T1 అవి మార్చకండి, యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్గా చేయండి. ఓకే, ఎందుకంటే ఇఫ్ యూ కమ్ అక్రాస్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ రిలేటెడ్ టు గ్యాస్ టర్బైన్స్, ఓకే, దిస్ పోర్షన్ ఈజ్ వెరీ వెరీ యూస్ఫుల్. వెన్ యూ కమ్ అక్రాస్ IC engines, T2 by T1 equal to V1 by V2 to the power gamma minus 1. At IC engines, this is called as compression ratio. And in the case of gas turbine, this is called as pressure ratio. Okay, for the polytropic process. Polytropic process. Polytropic process. Actually, the polytropic process is very much nearer to the realistic process. Here, heat is supplied, internal energy change is there, and work done will be there. Okay, and the governing equation for the polytropic process is PV to the power of n equal to constant, where the value is called n is called as polytropic index. N is polytropic index. And this n value lies in between 1 and 1.4. Okay, n value is lies in between 1 and 1.4. అంటే ఒకటి కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది, 1.4 కన్నా తక్కువ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, it is greater than 1 and less than 1.4. right? And just recall, in the isothermal process, PV equal to constant and V to the power of 1. Okay, and in the case of adiabatic process, PV to the power of gamma equal to constant, gamma equal to 1.4. Okay, in the case of polytropic process, PV to the power of n equal to constant, n value in between 1 and gamma. అంటే if you draw a curve in between P and V, pressure and volume, if we draw a curve, then this is the constant pressure process and this is the constant volume process, right? And this one is the isothermal process and this one is the isentropic process or adiabatic process, and this curve in between these two, this is the polytropic process. Okay, and all these processes what I draw here, those are the expansion process. That means volume is increasing, right? Suppose if it is 0, this is A, B, C. OA is isothermal process. And OC is the isentropic process. And OB is polytropic process. Right? And this curve PV equal to constant, this curve PV to the power of gamma equal to constant, this curve PV to the power of n equal to constant. Okay, you may ask, sir, how you identify OA is the isothermal process? It is a small technique. In the expansion processes, in the isothermal process, whatever be the heat given, directly utilized for work done. Is it not? Right. Once it is used for work done without changing of internal energy, the maximum or highest quantity of work we can extract in isothermal process only. And we know area under PV diagram gives us work done. Therefore, area under this curve is more. This is isothermal. And PV to the power of n lies in between 1 and gamma. The next curve is the polytropic and the lower curve is the adiabatic curves. This is the compression. Okay, and this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. In the compression processes, this is the isothermal compression, this is the isentropic compression, this is the polytropic compression. Okay, that means in the compression process, we are doing work over the gas. Okay, in isothermal process, very little bit of work it is sufficient. Okay, therefore the area under the curve is low in a compression process. Okay, suppose if you go for this one, isentropic process, PV to the power of gamma, compression process lo ekkuva work kavali in between this polytropic compression. Right? Next one, the power of n equal to constant, that means P equal to C by V to the power of n. Okay, and work done, that is equal to integral P dV within the limits V1 and V2, that equal to integral C by V to the power of n dV to the power of V1 to V2. Already the integration, similar integration we did for the adiabatic process, but there is gamma, here is n, that is only the difference. Therefore, the work done, that is equal to P1 V1 minus P2 V2 whole divided by n minus 1. Students, you can try the derivation, you got same thing. Q, heat supply, is equal to delta U plus integral PdV. Okay, delta U mCV delta T plus integral PdV within the limits of V1 and V2, that will give us P1 V1 minus P2 V2 to the power of whole divided by n minus 1. Right. Now mCV delta T, we can consider 1 kg mass, then it is Cv into T2 minus T1. Okay, therefore Q equal to Cv into T2 minus T1 plus P1 V1 minus P2 V2 by n minus 1. Right. Okay, CV into T2 minus T1. Okay, here just you can recall the equation, gas equation. P1 PV equal to RP you can write. I can write as CV by R into P2 V2 minus P1 V1 plus P1 V1 minus P2 V2 to the power n minus 1. Right. CV by R. Okay. CV by R, already we derived an equation. Okay, Cp minus Cv is equal to R. Cp minus Cv equal to R. Okay, and if you divide entire equation with Cv, Cp by Cv minus Cv by Cv equal to R by Cv. This is gamma minus 1. Equal to R by CV. And CV by R ante 1 by gamma minus 1. Is it not? Now substitute that. 1 by gamma minus 1 into here P2 V2 P1 V1. Here P1 V1 P2 V2. Okay. And if I want to change it, okay, if I take minus 1 as common, then I can write P1 V1 minus P2 V2 plus P1 V1 minus P2 V2 whole divided by n minus 1. Okay, now just I will take P1 V1 by P minus P2 V2 common. If we take common P1 V1 minus P2 V2 into 1 by n minus 1 minus 1 by gamma minus 1. Okay, this is the equation we got. Okay, now simplify it. P1 V1 minus P2 V2 into gamma minus 1 minus n minus 1 whole divided by n minus 1 into gamma minus 1. Okay, now see. Minus 1 here, plus 1 here. Okay, gamma minus n it will be, right? Now, gamma minus n divided by gamma minus 1 into P1 V1 minus P2 V2. This is heat supplied. This is one equation. Next one also. Right. Okay, this is one equation. Okay, this is the equation for a heat supplied. అంటే మనకి దీని రాయొచ్చు gamma minus n into divided by gamma minus 1. This is polytropic work. Right? ఇదే ఈక్వేషన్ ని n minus 1 ఇక్కడ రాస్తాను, gamma minus n ఇక్కడ రాస్తాను. Q equal to gamma minus n divided by n minus 1 into P1 V1 minus P2 V2 divided by gamma minus 1. What is this? This is adiabatic work. Okay, therefore gamma minus n by n minus 1 into adiabatic work. మీరు ఏ ఈక్వేషన్ అయినా యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు అండి. యూజ్ చేస్తే ఇది వస్తుందండి. ఓకే, యూ నీడ్ టు రిమెంబర్ దాట్ n ఈజ్ ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ 1 కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది, 1.4 కన్నా తక్కువ ఉంటుంది. గామా మైనస్ n డివైడెడ్ బై n మైనస్ 1 ఇంటూ అడియాబాటిక్ వర్క్. ఓకే, ఇలా మనం గుర్తుంచుకుంటే ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. ఇది ఈక్వేషన్ 2. ఓకే, నౌ ఐ వాంట్ టు సమ్మరైజ్. In the polytropic process, what is work done? Work done equal to P1 V1 minus P2 V2 whole divided by n minus 1. Work done formula. Next, heat supply formula. Gamma minus n divided by n minus 1 into adiabatic work. Work that is equal to gamma minus n by n minus 1 into P1 V1 minus P2 V2 divided by gamma minus 1. Okay, change in internal energy delta U, you can calculate Q minus W. Okay, generally in mathematics or problems this equation we need to use, otherwise delta U equal to mCV dt also it can be used according to the data given in the problem, right? This is about polytropic process. To summarize all the parameters for all process, this table is very important table, student need to remember. This is process and change in internal energy, heat supply, next one, work done. First process, constant volume process. Okay, constant volume process. What is change in internal energy? mCV dt. Okay, I can write du is equal to mCV dt. Heat supply, that is also equal to dq equal to mCV dt. Okay, work done equal to 0. W equal to 0. And one more column you can add. Other equations need to remember. Other equations. Okay, that is equal to, in constant volume process, P2 by P1 equal to P2 by P1. That also we can use. Right. Now, constant pressure process. In that, du also equal to mCV dt. Right. dq equal to mCp dt. Work done equal to P into V2 minus V1. And here pressure is constant, T2 by T1 equal to V2 by V1. Next one. Third one. Constant temperature process or isothermal process. Okay? In that, dU, change in internal energy, equal to 0. Heat supplied, dQ equal to dW equal to P1 V1 ln V2 by V1. Okay? Here also work done equal to P1 V1 ln V2 by V1. And here we can write P1 V1 ln P1 by P2. And equation you need to remember PV equal to constant or P1 V1 equal to P2 V2. Right? Next, third one. Fourth one. Isentropic process. Isentropic process. Okay? In the isentropic process, change in internal energy or dW equal to minus dU and heat supply equal to dQ equal to 0 and work done equal at the cost of internal energy dW equal to P1 V1 minus P2 V2 whole divided by n minus 1. And the governing equation Pv to the power of gamma equal to constant, and one more equation T2 by T1 equal to T2 by T1 to the power of gamma minus 1 by gamma, that equal to V1 by V2 to the power of gamma minus 1. Okay, next one, polytropic process. Fifth one, polytropic process. Right. In polytropic process, the change in internal energy dU we can calculate from dQ minus dW. And the process lo ఈ ఫార్ములా ఉపయోగించవచ్చండి. mCV dt. Next one, heat supplied. Okay, heat supplied dQ is equal to gamma minus n by n minus 1 into P1 V1 minus P2 V2 whole divided by gamma minus 1. Okay? Next one. Work done. dQ is equal to P1 V1 minus P2 V2 divided by n minus 1. Here in the isentropic process, was then gamma minus 1 here it is. Right. Next one. Here also PV to the power n equal to constant. Right. These equations we need to remember throughout the thermal engineering subject. While doing the problems, immediately wherever it is required, we need to write these equations. Okay.